Welcome to MarineMax Huntington. Today we're going to walk through our Saxdor 27. Starting off the back of the boat, we have the twin 200 V6 engine package. You'll see sea deck throughout from the swim platform all the way up to the bow. Really nice cockpit seating that you can configure in a couple different ways with a teak cockpit table. So now if you're driving or if you're hanging out, you can flip this seat forward, sit around a nice teak cockpit table. This is a bow filler cushion, so you drop the table down, make this into a big sunbed. Really large fiberglass hardtop. At 27 feet, this boat has twins, a bow thruster, trim tabs, Simrad electronics, and a nice cabin. We have the canvas enclosure package down in the cabin right now, but you also have a vacuum flush head down there. Nice spot to do some overnighting or just get out of the sun for the day. And coming up to the bow, we have a windlass anchor up front and a nice spacious bow lounger. This is the 27 Saxdor at MarineMax in Huntington. Come take a look or give us a call, 631-956-4865.